Okay, our next step is going to be to create things for this guy to face and look at. This can be almost anything that has a name, but I'm going to use an entity that is more or less designed to be a target of attention. It's invisible in the game and doesn't do anything by itself. Very unintrusive. So let's go to the entity tool, and I can never remember if these things are called target infos or info targets. So let's find out. Alright, target info. I'm not seeing it. It must be info target. Yep, there it is. So select it and start placing these around our guy here. I'm going to have to zoom inside the trigger box to do this front one. Now these four I'm going to have him face, and I'll have two more for him to look at towards the sides here. Now that we've done that, we need to go and name all these things. I'm just going to name them relative to his position. So double click on the first one here. I'm going to call it rear since it's behind him. Hit apply, close, then let's do the next one. This one is to his left, so I'll just call it left. Oops. You can see Hammer is trying to guess what I'm typing. I think it must be referring to this door over here. Just give it the right name. And actually, you may have noticed I've been telling you to hit apply, then close for just about everything we've been doing so far. That's probably more just a habit of mine than anything actually necessary. There may be some situations where it doesn't work, but for the most part, you can just close the window and it will apply your settings. So I'll try and do that. And let's do the same for the rest. Double click here, name it right, and then we'll just close this window. Okay, double click. And this one is going to be a target for him to look at. So I'm going to call this head left. And apply. I meant not to do that. Oh well. Close. Double click again. And see if you can guess what I'm going to type for this one. Head right. And close. And for the last one, we'll have to zoom inside the trigger again. And front. Hey, no, not front window. Front! I'm hitting apply so it doesn't try to pull another fast one on me. Okay, now where's that front window? I'm curious. Nope. Aha! That's what I was referring to. Okay, one more step before we head back to Face Poser. Go and hold down the control key and select all of these targets. Once you've done that, go to one of these side views here and move all these up to about eye level. Now we won't be looking at the ground when we tell him to look around. Okay, go to File, and I'm going to save this as something new. I'm going to call this Look Test. Save. And now I'm going to close this and head back to Face Poser.